Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of Caterpillar's most anticipated small dozer upgrades, the 2026 Caterpillar D2LGP, a machine built for precision, earth-moving, low ground pressure jobs, and operators who want maximum stability with minimum ground disturbance. This new model brings refined engineering, smarter controls, and improved comfort, making it a serious contender in the small dozer class. Let's walk through the exterior, interior, performance, and at the end, we'll talk about the expected price range for the 2026 model. Starting on the outside, the 2026 D2LGP carries that modern Caterpillar design language with sharp lines, compact dimensions, and a visibly reinforced frame. The low ground pressure configuration is instantly recognizable from the wider track shoes that help the dozer float over soft and muddy terrain with far less sink-in compared to standard track models. The updated sealed, down-lubricated undercarriage improves durability and extends service life, especially for contractors who work in abrasive or wet environments. Up front, the redesigned blade linkage offers smoother lifting and tilting action. The nose profile has also been tightened, giving better forward visibility while maintaining the strength needed for heavy pushing. The cooling package is more efficient, with wider airflow channels and easier access for cleaning, which is crucial for operators working long days in dusty or sandy regions. Moving to the rear, the machine features an improved counterweight setup and an optional winch mount for forestry or utility operations. LED lighting around the machine, including low glare side and rear lights, creates a clean, crisp illumination zone for night shifts. Maintenance points are arranged more intelligently. Hydraulic filters, engine oil fill, coolant reservoir, and DEF access are all positioned to reduce downtime. Now stepping into the interior. The cab of the 2026 Caterpillar D2LGP is where the changes really stand out. The updated seat suspension system delivers a noticeably smoother ride, especially on bumpy terrain, and the wider seatback supports operators during long hours. The cab is sealed tighter than previous versions, cutting down on dust intrusion and reducing noise levels. The climate control system has been upgraded to cool faster and maintain consistent airflow throughout the cabin. Operators will appreciate the redesigned control layout, featuring next-generation joysticks that respond with both precision and softness, eliminating unnecessary resistance. On the right console, a higher-resolution touchscreen display provides access to machine diagnostics, fuel usage, grade settings, and customizable control preferences. Bluetooth connectivity, improved speakers, and multiple charging ports create a more modern operator environment. Visibility is also improved with larger window surfaces, slimmer pillars, and a curved front glass panel that enhances the downward view to the blade. When it comes to performance, the 2026 D2LGP packs a reliable Cat C 3.6 engine, tuned for cleaner emissions and better low-end torque delivery. Operators will notice faster response during aggressive pushing and more stable power during fun. The hydrostatic transmission has been recalibrated for smoother acceleration and better load management on slopes. The low ground pressure track setup significantly reduces ground disturbance, making this machine ideal for wetlands, agriculture fields, soft residential lots, and landscaping projects. The machine also integrates smart grade assist improvements that give operators semi-autonomous grading features, helping newer operators deliver professional results, while experienced operators complete jobs faster with less manual correction. Fuel efficiency gains of around 5 to 7% are possible thanks to updated engine management and an improved auto-idle system that intelligently reduces fuel burn when the machine is paused. Durability and reliability are two major selling points. Reinforced blade arms, stronger pivot points, and upgraded hydraulic lines decrease the likelihood of field failures. Routine service tasks are faster due to grouped maintenance points, swing-out coolers, and a simplified filter layout. All this means more uptime, lower cost per hour, and better long-term performance for contractors who depend on their equipment daily. Now let's talk about the expected price for the 2026 Caterpillar D2LGP. While final retail pricing always varies depending on configuration, region, and dealer packages. The typical range for a fully equipped 2026 D2LGP is expected to fall between $160,000 and $195,000 US. Base units with fewer technology options may land closer to the lower end, while premium packages with advanced grade control and upgraded cab features can push the final costs toward the upper limit. Considering its improvements in power, comfort, and efficiency, the machine delivers strong value for contractors looking for a reliable small dozer that performs beyond its size. That's the full breakdown of the 2026 Caterpillar D2LGP. If you enjoyed this detailed look, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews on the latest heavy equipment.